Hi dear students, welcome to exam side mathematics by Pani. Here the questions from exercise 3A trigonometry functions. It is related to not only AP intermediate first year mathematics, NCRT also 11th class. We are in the first exercise. Yeah, let us have a discussion on the questions. See, find the radian measures corresponding to the following degree measures. So here degree measures we are going to convert into the radians. See, 25 degrees. So 25 degrees into 1 degree. Like this we have to write it. We know that 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. So 180 degrees means 180 into 1 degree is equal to pi radians. So 1 degree equal to pi radians divided by 180. So wherever 1 degree is there, you replace with this value. So it is equal to 25 into pi radian divided by 180. So you can simplify. By 5 table, 5 5s are 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are. So 5 pi by 36. So 25 degrees can be written as 5 pi by 36 radians. We converted. Similarly, come to the question number 2. 47 minus 47 degrees and 30 minutes. We know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. So 60 minutes can be written as 2 into 30 minutes. Can I write like this? Is equal to 1 degree. So but I want 30 minutes, no. So 30 minutes can be written as 1 degree by 2, that means half degree. So wherever 30 minutes is there, you replace with half degree. So minus 47 degrees plus half degree. So total, if you do that, what comes is minus 93 degrees divided by 2. So later what we can do is 93 degrees, so minus is there, by 2, 93 by 2 into 1 degree. So again 1 degree can be written as minus 93 by 2 into pi radian by 180. Okay, 3 table. 3 3s are 3 1s are 360s. Other than this, is there any possibility to write, dear students? Yeah, here I forgot. This minus is including for this also. I forgot. Very good. So it comes as 95. So 95. Whenever it is 95, it changes. So 5 table, 536, 5 90s, 19 5s are. So minus 19 pi radians by 36 2s are 72. Okay. This is the way we can come to 240 degrees. So 240 degrees can be written as 240 into 1 degree So 240 into 1 degree is pi radians by 180. Here 0 0 get cancelled. 6 3s are 6 4s are. So 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 radian. Next question number 4. 520 degrees equal to 520 into 1 degree. So 520 into 1 degree is pi radian by 180. So here also 0 0 get cancelled. Next. 2 9s 226. Other than this, it won't be. Okay. So 26 pi radians by 9. So this is the way we can give the answers, dear students. I hope you understand. Yeah, 𝗘𝗅𝗺𝗚𝗚, and thank you for joining the session. Degree measure to corresponding to the following. Radian measure. Radian measure. Use wherever pi comes 22 by 7. The hint is given, dear students. So one by one we will do it here. Question number 1 is 11 by 16, and question number 2 is 4 minus 4, sorry. Just by seeing it's very simple, but you have to do that. See, first what we have to do, which are called find the degree radians for this radians. These are radians. So we already done with the concepts. Pi radian equal to 180 degrees. So 1 radian equal to 180 degrees divided by pi. So 11 by 16 into 1 radian. 1 radian can be written as 11 by 16 into 180 degrees divided by pi. They are asking to write pi value as what? 22 by 7. So we can write it as 11 by 16 into 180 degrees by 22 by 7 means 7 will become a numerator. Why? Because denominator of a denominator. So 11 ones, 11 twos. Next 2 ones, 2 90s. Later 630 degrees divided by 16. So you can divide with 2. So what happens? 2 3s. 315 degrees by 8. So normal division. 315 divided by 8. 8 3s are 8 4s are 8 3s are 24. So 75. 8 9s are 72. So this I am writing as 39 degrees. Here degrees is there, no? 3 by 8. 39 degrees, 3 by 8. Even 3 by 8 is also degrees. So 39 degrees plus 3 by 8 into 1 degree. 1 degree means what? What we can write? 1 degree. 1 degree equal to, we cannot write in the only in terms of degrees. So we can write it 1 degree. Degree in terms of minutes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. We can write as 60 minutes. 38 into 1 degree. So if they are asking to, in what way they are asking to write? We can write it in minutes. So 1 degree is 60 minutes. We already done now. So 39 degrees plus 3 by 8 into 60 minutes. So 39 degrees plus, this is how much it is? 2 4s, 2 30s. So 90 minutes by 4. Even we can divide 39 degrees plus 45 by 2. 45 by 2 minutes also we can do it. 45 by 2. 2 22s means 44. 1 will be left. So 39 degrees plus 45 by 2 can be written as 22 minutes 1 by 2. 22 minutes. So 39 degrees, 22 minutes. We can write again half minute. 1 minute can be written as 60 seconds now. So this can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 minute. So which is equal to 39 degrees, 22 minutes plus 1 by 2 into 60 seconds. So 2 ones, 2 30s. So we can write it as 39 degrees, 22 minutes and 30 seconds. This is the way we can convert the given radians to degree conversion. I hope you understand. This is the way we can go. It should be very easy, dear students, for going. The coming one is, it's a little lengthy maybe. We can go in the same procedure we can follow. So here I am writing. Question number 2 is minus 4. So minus 4 radian, that is equal to minus 4 into 1 radian. So minus 4 into 1 radian means 180 degrees divided by pi. Pi means what? 22 by 7. So minus 4 into 180 degrees by 22 whole by 7. 2 2s, 2 11s. So 180 we can. So 2050 50 by 11. So we can calculate in this way. So by 11 we can do no. So 250 by 11. 11 2s are 22. 32 will be left. So 11 3s are anyway it is not possible. 11 2s are. So 11 9s 99. So we can write it as 229 degrees 1 by 11. So total we can write it. So this can be done as 229 degrees plus 1 by 11 into 1 degree. So which is equal to 229 degrees plus 1 by 11. 1 degree means what we can write again? 60 minutes. So 229 degrees plus 60 by 11 means 11 5s up. So 60 by 5. So 11's no? 11 5s are 55. 5 will be there. So 5 by 11 minutes. So 229 degrees 5 minutes plus 5 by 11 minutes. So again 1 minute can be written as like this. So 229 degrees 5 minutes plus 5 by 11 into 1 minute. Again 60 minutes can be written as 60 seconds 1 minute. So we can write it as 229 degrees 5 minutes plus 5 by 11 into 1 minute is 60 seconds. Again I will continue here. 229 degrees 5 minutes 300 seconds by 11. So 300 by 11 we can do it. 11 2s are 22. Here 8 will be there. 11 7s are 77. So 229 degrees 5 minutes 27 3 by 11 seconds. So 229 5 minutes 27 seconds. Just approximate we are writing, dear students. We can leave it. Why? Because here I am very sorry. Here minus is there. Now throughout minus you can keep. Just I forgot. For this data you write with minus. So minus 229 degrees 5 minutes 27 approximately. No need of leave it like this 3 by 11 seconds. You can leave. This is the way you can do, dear students, about the thing. In my other channel also, again I will come back with that. All these concepts, dear students, don't worry. Next beginning academic year, we will come back with that. Third one, 5 pi by 3, and fourth one, 7 pi by 6. These are questions. So this will be easy to convert degrees. They're asking to convert into degrees now. So 5 by 3 into pi radian. 5 by 3 into pi radians equal to 180 degrees. So 3 ones, 360s, 300 degrees. So 5 by 3 means 300 degrees. Similarly, 7 by 6 into pi radians. So 7 by 6 into 180 degrees, so 6 ones, 630s, 7 into 30, 210 degrees. This is the way we can do that degrees. Okay, we'll move back to question number 3. A wheel makes 360 revolutions, 360 revolutions, 360 revolutions in 1 minute, through how many radians? Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Question first, understand that thoroughly, then only you can give the answer. Yes, students. The number of revolutions made by the wheel number of revolutions made by the wheel in is 360. In 1 minute, the number of revolutions made by the wheel is per minute 360 degrees divided by per minute how many? 60. So it will be 6. So in 1 minute, 6 revolutions. number of revolutions made by the wheel is 360. But in 1 minute, the number of revolutions made by the wheel is 360 by, in 1 minute means we are taking 60. So 6. But the wheel, one revolution means how many radians? In 1 minute, the wheel makes 2 pi radians. Made the angle. So, in 1 minute, wheel makes 2 pi radians. For 6 revolutions, how many radians? For 6 revolutions, the wheel turns in 1 second is 6 into 2 pi. So 12 pi. This is the way we can. So this means, this is in 1 minute the wheel makes 2 pi radians. This is completely 360 degrees means 2 pi. No, it is 2 pi radians it makes. In 1 second it turns. In 1 second how many means 2 pi into how many revolutions it done? In 1 minute 6 revolutions. 6 into 2 pi. So 2 pi turns. 12 pi radians. 12 pi radians it will be. Okay dear students, we will go to next question. The number of revolutions made by a wheel in 1 second. Here itself we are writing in 1 minute, no, in 1 second. In 1 second we can, in 1 second the number of revolutions. Why? Because that is the reason we are dividing with that. In 1 second is 6 times. Yes, that is correct. In 1 minute, it makes 2 pi. In 1 complete revolution, the wheel it makes. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle, at the center of the circle, of radius 10 of radius 10 of radius 100 sorry of radius 100 centimeters by an arc of length 22 centimeters. Use pi as 22 by 7. It is given. Condition only given. Next question number 5 also I'm writing. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. Saying this, find the degree measure of the angle subtended. We know that the circle will be like this, dear students. Theta, radius, and length of arc it is. We know that L is equal to R theta. L means what? They are asking to find here, find the degree measure. So theta makes subject L by R. L is equal to length 22 centimeter divided by R 100 centimeter. So theta equal to 2 11s, 2 50s. So 11 by 50. Find the degree measure. So that means this is the radian itself, no? So 11 by 50 into 1 radian. So 180 degrees equal to pi radian. 1 radian equal to 180 by pi. So wherever pi is there, replace with 22 by 7. So 11 by 50 into 180 divided by 22 by 7. 7 will become up. 11 ones, 11 twos. Here 0 get cancelled. 2 1s, 2 9s. 9 7s are 63 divided by 5. 63 by 5 also we can write it. 5 12s 60, remaining is 3. So we can write it as, these are the converting into degrees now. So 12 degrees, so we cannot write like this. 3 by 5 degrees. 12, 3 by 5, mixed fraction. So it will be looking like 12 degrees plus 3 by 5 degrees. We can convert into minutes itself. 12 degrees plus 3 by 5 into 1 degree. So 1 degree can be written as 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes now. So 12 degrees into, instead of writing plus, we can keep it like this also, into 60 minutes. 5 ones, 5 12s. So 12 degrees, 36 minutes. So therefore theta is the required angle. This theta equal to 12 degrees, 36 minutes. This is the way we can come to this one. In the circle of diameter, circle equation, circle figure, diameter means twice of the radius is equal to 40 centimeters. So radius equal to 20. So radius means like this. This is 20, even this is also 20. Length of arc. Find the length of minor arc. Length of chord is given. According to the figure, length of chord is 20. This is A, this is B, dear students, this is center C. AB is equal to 20. So draw this perpendicular, this 10, no? This is D, you can take it. So AD is equal to BD is equal to 10. So by using the right angled triangle, here CD square plus AD square is equal to AC square. CD square I want. CD square equal to AC square minus AD square. So AC square means 20 square minus AD square means 10 square. So A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B. So 20 plus 10 into 20 minus 10. So 30 into 10. So 300. So CD square equal to CD value means this one. Root over 300. That is equal to 10 root 3. This is CD value. So they are asking to find length of minor arc. This one. So how can we find length of minor arc? Anyone got idea? Anyone? This is the length of arc L. So this D value what we got 10 root 3. This is CD is 10 root 3. See here. Anyway, this is 90. This is 90. From triangle ACD, tan A is equal to here angle some theta if we take tan theta. Better to take tan A. Tan A is equal to 10 root 3 divided by 10. Tan when it will be root 3, A is equal to 60. So here 90, here 60 degrees, here 30 degrees. So here 30, here 30. 60. Therefore, angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Angle we know that L is equal to R theta. R value is 20, theta value is 60. Theta is here. This is only theta. L value we don't know. L is equal to R. R value 20 into theta value is 60. So 20 into 60 degrees means pi by in terms of radians. So they are asking just the length of minor arc. That's all. Pi by 3. So 20 pi by 3 we can write it. Otherwise, if you want to write in that 1200 degrees or 20 pi by 3 radians, we can. So therefore, length of arc L is equal to 20 pi by 3, whatever the centimeters is given, centimeters. Okay, dear students. Question number 6. If in two circles arcs of the same length subtends 60 degrees, 75 degrees at the center, find the ratio of their radii, plural one. Question number 7, it is lost in this. Find the angle in radians. Through which a pendulum swings if its length 75 centimeter and the tip describes an arc of length. In that first question 10 centimeter, second question 15 centimeter, third question is 21 centimeter. We will do it one by one. Here, according to the question, if in two circles, this is the circle 1, this is circle 2, centers arcs of the same length, this length is L, even this length is also L, subtends one is 60 degrees, another one is 75 degrees, it makes. And find the ratio of the radii. We don't know this radius is R1, this radius is R2. Okay, dear students? Here length is constant, L1 is equal to L2. Whenever length is constant, we have that or we know that L is equal to R theta. So L1 R1 theta 1, L2 R2 theta 2. Since L1 equal to L2, why? Because arcs of the same length. So since L1 is equal to L2, that implies that R1 theta 1 equal to R2 theta 2. That implies ratio of R2 bring here, theta 2 divided by theta 1. So for this, theta 1 is theta 2, 75 degrees. For R1, 75, like this we can take it. R1 by R2 divided by 60, theta 1. So R1 by R2 equal to 5 table. 15 5s, 15 4s. Therefore, R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4 ratio. That's all. If they are in centimeters, we can write in centimeters. If any units, we can write it. Find the angle in radians through which the pendulum swings if its length is L is equal to 75 centimeters. And the tip describes an arc of length. So, R values are given. So, question number 1. We know that L is equal to R theta. In that, L is equal to given as 75. equal to R, first case. Here R is equal to 10 centimeter. Question number 1 we are doing this, students. So 10 into theta. So 75 by 10 is equal to theta. 75 by 10 radians. So 5 table, or 5 table not. 15 by 2. 5 15s, 5 2s. So theta equal to 15 by 2 radians. Question number 2. In that L is equal to same 75 centimeters and R is equal to 15 centimeter. Here it is given, dear students. Therefore, L is equal to R theta. That implies 75 equal to R value 15 into theta. That implies theta equal to 75 by 15. 15 ones, 15 fives. So theta equal to 5 radians. In the second question, it will be. In third question, L is equal to 75 centimeter and R is equal to 21 centimeter. Therefore, L is equal to R theta. That implies 75 equal to 21 into theta. Theta equal to 75 divided by 21. So 3 25s, 3 7s. So theta equal to 25 by 7 radians. This is the way we can do it, the answers, dear students. Now 1 minute, I think I have taken L and R will be like in different way. Yes, I forgot, dear students. These are the lengths. This is if it's length is 75 means strings means it is radius. This is radius. I forgot. This one is length. Based on that, it changes. So everywhere in this last question completely it was changed. So 10 by 75 equal to theta. That implies what comes here? 5 2s are 5 15s. Radians. So even here also radius and L and R will be reverse, dear students. This is 15, this is 75. I forgot. So it will be 15 by 75. 15 ones, 1 by 5 radians. So R is the radius constant and the length is changes. So 21 equal to 75 theta. So 21 by 75. So 3 table. 3 sevens, 3 25s. So 7 by 25 radians. This is the way we can do the students. The first exercise completed in AP intermediate. Whenever it was fixed, that is called the radius. The rest of them is length of arc. Just now we conclude that. Otherwise, the meaning will be different, dear students. So we are going to end the session. We'll meet in the other session with 3B exercise. Thank you for your support. Exam side mathematics by Pani. Those who are watching first time, please like and share.